Today I wanted to show you how to fix error storage storage optimization. Storage optimization cannot start because of the task scheduler. I will write it down for you because I found the solution and I will show to you step by step. Something like that, it is possible because I was getting that error message before. You can still fix that. How I was able to fix that? I used the Windows registry. Now especially when you click on that, but finally I was able to fix that, and I didn't have to install Windows from scratch. You have to type regedit.exe. I would like to run as administrator. Happy local machine. Current control system. Current control set. Services. There was one service related to Time Broker. In Time Broker, you will have to double click my left mouse button to set to automatic start, which means 2. Before I had value 4, which was meaning the okay, it was disabled at all, so I couldn't run my task scheduler at all. After setting this up to automatic start, which means value 2, I was able to fix that error message, and because of that, I could run my disk defragmenter in Windows 11. I thought at first it was because of the issue of the bad sectors located on my hard drive, but not necessary, because other programs related to Blender 3D graphics program and Krita Open Tools and some other tools, they are running absolutely fine without any issues at all. So I was able to fix that error. If you read carefully, this defrag isn't available. Storage optimization cannot start because the task scheduler is not running. I hope you like my video tutorial. I'm very happy because I found out a tutorial online which was correct, and I was able to fix that error, and I no longer have that error issue. So I could run my disk defragmenter